What's going on, my friend? Garrett Barry here. Now, inside of this quick video, what I want to share with you is a powerful concept that you can apply and use whether you have a business or you want to start your own business. Now, if you have your own business, maybe you've been, promoting online, you've been sharing your opportunity, your video, your sales page, whatever the case may be, and maybe you've been struggling to make the true amount of sales and signups you want. Well, with this understanding, you're going to be able to really realize what it takes to make big money online and why you may have been struggling up until this video. Okay, so this is truly powerful. What you have to understand is, now these are proven statistics when it comes to the industry standard, okay? So this is proven. You can research this on your own. This is actually the real numbers. And once you have a clear picture in your mind of the real numbers, it's not going to be mystifying. It's not going to be magical. It's going to be very easy and simple, and you can start to really get the results you want, okay? Now, the first thing you have to understand is, when it comes to marketing online, you have to share information with people. You have to share people your website, your sales page, your video, a webinar, whatever the case may be. You have to share information with people or they're not going to know what you're doing, right? So you share people, let's say you share a video, okay? Let's say that's a video. Hopefully you can see that. It's not going to be that important seeing it, just more important, what I'm sharing. So let's say you share someone with a video and you follow up. Now, first off, that's the first thing. A lot of people don't even follow up. They send their video or their sales page to people and they don't even follow up. Well, the fortune's in the follow-up, okay? This is actually shocking but true. 2%, only 2% of people will actually buy on that first exposure, okay? 2%. Now, that means 2 out of 100 people are actually going to see a video in front of them, feel that strong urge, and then reach out and join, okay? Or sign up through the page or whatever. 2%, okay? So if you've been out there promoting and you've been sharing your video and you haven't been following up, you haven't been, following up with them, then that's exactly why you've been struggling, okay? I mean, there's other things, and I have other videos on my channel on different strategies and, other mindset things, but that's a big reason why you've probably been struggling, okay? Now, let's say they see it twice, okay? You follow up or you share more information. It only jumps to about 3% will actually join on that second exposure, okay? Now, here's the shocking thing. Here's the really shocking thing I want you to grasp in this video. If you can get a person to see your opportunity or presentation or video 7 to 12 times, the percent of people that will join you go up to a whopping 80%. That means 80 out of 100 people will join if you can get them to see it 7 to 12 times. Okay, so again, this is industry standard. This is proven. So if you've been sharing a video or a website and you've not been following up, or you've been following up maybe one time, only 2% or 3% are going to join. So the majority are not going to be joining. So that's why that's one of the big reasons you're probably not having people join you, okay? So you want to really focus on following up. That's why, email autoresponders, following up with people. That's why that's so important, because most people will not join. But if you can follow up about 7 to 12 times, 80% of people will join you. So your main goal is to get people to see it as often as possible. Okay, so I just wanted to share this powerful understanding with you. Hopefully this can kind of let you relax and really understand what it takes to succeed and why you may have been struggling up until now. Now, if you like this video, be sure to leave me a like. Also, comment and subscribe for more free videos. I'm going to be posting these virtually daily. And last but not least, if you want access to my 5 free steps on how to create a high-level business online and you want more free tips, go ahead and click the link below. Check that out, and also connect with me on my Facebook profile. I'll have all those links below. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.